everyone, it's Erin Flota here, and I am here posting a video of some minimalist spreads. So I made this bullet journal for one of my friends. She is unfortunately going through a pretty hard time right now, and she needed a way to track some medical things that are going on. So I decided to make her a bullet journal because she told me she needed a lot of space to write notes because of doctor visits and talking to, um, uh, you know, stupid things like insurance and things like that. So she really wanted a lot of space for note pages. So she told me exactly what she wanted, and I thought I would try my best to make it happen. I did put some things like self-care bingo to give her like some ideas and inspiration, and I used some of my new hollow stickers as well, and then I left some blank pages in case she wanted to recreate a self-care bingo or a gratitude log or things like that. So I gave her a little bit of inspiration, but then kind of left it up to her in case she wanted to add more things. So anyways, that's why I made this video. I just thought I would show something a little different on my channel and show off some more quote-unquote minimalist spreads where it's really just some headers. Every month is a different color, and yeah. So here's a quick video. I hope you enjoy this video. If you do, please like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And here is some music for you to watch the rest of this video.